Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your devices and account. This matters because HomeKit ties everything to your Apple ID and hub. Once your iPhone is signed in and two-factor is enabled, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Next, position the accessory near your hub or phone and open the Home app. Tap the plus sign and choose Add Accessory. Scan or enter the accessory code when prompted, and let the device join the network. Do this now to move to configuration. Once the accessory appears, organize it logically. Place it in a room and pick a concise name so Siri recognizes it. Then build scenes to run multiple devices together. For example, evening lights dims lamps and locks doors. Make automations next. Choose triggers like time of day, sensor activation, or your arrival and departure. Test each scene and automation individually to confirm behavior, and adjust delays or conditions so routines run predictably without unwanted triggers. To finish, update firmware and iOS so compatibility is stable, and review home settings to confirm your hub is connected. Once done, verify remote access by commanding a device from cellular or another Wi-Fi network. If something fails, try this key troubleshooting step. Remove the accessory from the Home app, power cycle the device and hub, then re-add it. This clears pairing errors while preserving home layout. If issues persist, check network isolation or accessory factory reset instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.